Hey everybody, welcome to my little project today. I am going to show you a really cool kitchen decor piece, and this is brand new in our spring and summer catalog, so I'm going to show you. But I'm also going to demonstrate how awesome and easy it is to use our board eraser. So let's check it out. So here we have one of our awesome boards. This is a porcelain steel board. It's one of our older models. Okay, so this reusable surface over and over and over and over. I'm gonna go ahead and get my board eraser wet with some water, and I'm just going to start washing away the chalk. Okay, so this has been on since the beginning of January when I did it for the new year, and I am ready to change up this board. A lot of the boards that we do, you can make them reusable just like this, or you can, oops, that moved on me, or you can do a permanent board by spraying an adhesive, not an adhesive, that would be silly. Please don't spray an adhesive. Spray a sealant, a crystal clear sealant right over. I'm gonna switch to the clean side and keep on going. There's a lot of chalk. There was a lot of chalk on this. So some of them, when the ones that are layered, you just have to go over it a little bit more. All right, now, in order to get all of this off, I'm going to rinse out my board eraser in the water a couple times, go over it some more, and just kind of pick up all the pieces that are on here. And then we'll use a really great microfiber cloth to pick up the rest of this. Make sure all the chalk is kind of gone. I got a little bit stuck in here. Get that out. All right, so this is mostly clean. I'm gonna use this to kind of get all of that. Now, this cloth is leaving lint, so we don't want that to happen. And I also have chalk that was spilled on this. I'm gonna try to get that off. Awesome. Now, we're gonna use our board cloth. This is our fuzzing towel. So on one side we have our terry cloth fuzzing towel, and on the other side we have our microfiber board cloth. So I'm actually going to run this on my board a bit to dry and get everything off of there. Give it time to adjust. There we go. All right, so now all we have to do, I'm gonna go ahead and lay my fuzzing side out here because we are going to do a fabulous eat transfer. So cool. This lettering is so cute. So we're gonna make an awesome board for the kitchen. Of course, we're gonna do this in my colors for my kitchen, but you can do this in any color you want. I'm going to label this as eat, and I'm going to peel the backing from this transfer. I don't want to peel the transfer off because static cling will happen and this could fly up and stick to itself, and you don't want that to happen at all. So we are going to carefully remove the backing, set it aside. Now I can take my two hands and flip this over so that we land on the fuzzing cloth. Now, we are gonna fuzz all of it a couple times. We are going on to our porcelain steel board, which is truly a very, very solid surface. So let's go ahead and get everything fuzzed a couple times, maybe 3. Let me flip it around. There we go. And one, yep.
What do you plan on doing to the cups?
And once we get this done, we will go ahead and do that. I can answer him later. I really wish I had a sign that said recording in my basement, but I don't. So let's get this on here. Now, we want kind of equidistant from the top and bottom. So we just want a little, I think a little bit. Okay, we're gonna start in the center and work our way out so that we have no bubbles. And you're using your hand and not a tool. If you're using a tool, that tool can damage the adhesive on the transfer, so we want to make sure not to do that. I know you may see other people using those tools, but please, please, please do not do that. Okay, your hand is all we need to make sure we are stuck down. Now, we're going to use this beautiful color. This is called eucalyptus, and it's kind of a sagey color. We're also going to use our massive, awesome 4-inch handled squeegee. This is going to be so great. I'm going to use the multi-tool to just go ahead and stir this up and place some chalk out here. Once we have all that chalk out there, I will use my multi-tool to kind of like clean up my my little bucket of chalk paste. So watch how easy this goes with our 4-inch handle. I'm just going to here we go. The E is done, the A, the T, it's so quick. And of course, as you're spreading it, now we're gonna be picking up the excess, kind of scraping off that excess. Make sure all of the screen is full. Okay, here we go. That is done. There's a little bit of thing there, so I wanna, all right, we'll get the excess off of that A. So all of this is going back into that container. There's quite a bit. I know you can hear the vinyl scraping, sorry. All right. I think it looks good to go. Let me do that T and the A a little bit. All right. So now we're gonna pick 2 sides, 2 corners, and we're gonna peel from one edge. So you either go left to right or top to bottom or right to left, you have either of those. Look how beautiful that is. This is gonna go into my water bath to get washed. And oh my goodness, this turned out so great. And honestly, let me see if even I can hold it up for you. We'll do a solo board if I can. So I will go ahead and turn this around so that you can see it. Doesn't that look cool? You can do several different coordinating boards with this. I love how this turned out. It's so quick and easy. This was so quick and easy. And that 4-inch handled squeegee really gets the job done quickly. There's no drying out. It's beautiful. So make sure that this is in your box of tools for when you need to do a larger transfer like this. Now, if you are interested at all in doing what I do and becoming a designer with Couture, go ahead and type in join in the comments right now. I will go ahead and give you a link, and you can click that link to join my opportunity group. Inside my opportunity group, I go live every Monday at 9 p.m. Eastern time. I tell all about what it takes to become a designer, how to do it, and what you need to do to stay active as a designer. If you are not inside my VIP Chalk Nation group, my customer group, make sure you type in the words add me and I will give you the link to join. So that is awesome. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little quick eat sign and have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.